A lightning conductor consists of a long, thick metal rod having sharp spikes at the upper end. These are known as spikes. The spikes pointing toward the sky are fixed at the highest point of building. The lower end of the metal rod is connected to large copper plate which is buried inside the earth. Here it is buried inside the earth. This is called earthing process. When the high charge cloud passes over tall building, it induces an opposite charge on the spikes. It means if positive charge cloud is there, it will produce here negative charge. Opposite charge is produced. This charge quickly flows to the earth through the copper rod. Thus the lightning discharge is prevented and building is saved from the damage by the use of lightning conductor. Next are earthquakes. Earthquakes are the most frightening and the destructive phenomena of nature. The scientific study of the earthquake are uncontrollable and unpredictable. They can't be predicted very easily. Scientists have begun to predict the location and likelihood of the future earthquakes. In this section, we are introduced on the basis of earthquake. So first of all, we study about layers of earth. Earth is nearly spherical in shape. It contains the three layers: inner core, outer core, mantle layer, and outer side is crust layer. So these are the various layers of the earth. The surface of earth is not smooth. They have the mountain, valley, plains, rivers, lakes, ocean, thick forest and desert, and show a variety of structure on the surface of earth. It has many ups and downs. These ups and downs are compared to the size of earth. As a result, despite these ups and downs, earth appears to be a smooth and spherical. It is believed that the primitive earth melted with 800 million years of its formation, and the molten mass thus began to reorganize itself under the influence of gravity. What happened? That molten mass will begin to reorganize itself. By reorganizing itself, it will form the various layers that are core, crust and mantle, and various disturbances occur inside the crust layer which causes the earthquake. Now we discuss about important terms related to earthquake. Is it clear?